Afghanistan is on the field, London is colored in the colors of Afghanistan. Look at them. I mean, you guys keep saying Afghanistan, Atalan, Afghanistan, Atalan. What does it mean?
That means they are our heroes, basically. They bring happiness to the country, so they really love them with all their heart. That's why all these guys are here. They had to take days off from work and come here to support the nation, and it means a lot to the whole country. So we really hope we're going to do well this year and make people proud of us.
Indeed, and all your heroes out there are making Afghanistan proud. But who's that one hero that you'd pick up from your team? Who's your favorite?
My favorite.
Rashid Anabi.
All right, what about you?
My favorite player is Nabi. He has almost everything in him. Personality, as a player, he got everything in the locker. So we need to support. To be honest, to me, everybody is a hero. So I just want them to do well. And I'm going to make sure I go to most of the matches.
Of course. How many of you are Rashid fans here? All right, so 1, 2, 3, go. Afghanistan! Zindabad! Afghanistan! Zindabad!